Guys, look at this. Who needs hill stations? This is freaking awesome. The mist is like crazy. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Wanderer Traveler. So today we are going for a small trip from Bangalore, and the name of the place is called Shettihalli. Basically there is a church in Shettihalli, and it's almost 215 kilometers from Bangalore. Roads to Shettihalli is quite good, because if this is the Tumkur road that you're seeing right now, and once you exit this, there is a place called Nelamangala. From there you'll take the exit towards the Hassan road. So from Hassan road, it's like full straight road to Hassan. So roads are pretty good, and if you're a biker, this is a must try place. And traffic will also be like very less, so you can cruise at the speed of 100-120. Crazy weather. I mean, I'm sure the visibility is going to be zero after some point of time. So as you can see, it's all foggy in the mornings. So 7:15 is the time. It will take almost 2 hours to reach Shettihalli. The visibility is literally reducing. I can't see a lot. Maybe through the camera, because of the AIs and all, you might be able to see, but through my naked eyes I can't see. It's getting much denser. Oh my god, now this is the time we need to put the hazard lights on. But okay, there's a car coming on the other side, but I'll slowly take. And wow, this is one of the best lights I've ever had. So we just entered the Hassan road. So you can see Hassan is like 156 kilometers from here. Usually during the start of this road you might see a little bit of traffic, but after some time it will not be there. The fog is getting much denser. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but I can't see anything beyond like 500 meters. Visibility is like very less, but sun is rising, you can see. Sun's rising, and yes. Okay, I'm having a wobbling issue, if you can see. Oh shit. Wobbling has stopped. I think it's mainly because of the road that we were coming. Not that much. See, I'm just leaving my hand, but yes, it's not wobbling. And the sun is up, the mist has gone down, visibility is good right now. Reaching Shettihalli, it's like just 11 kilometers from the main road. So roads are pretty good. So only certain portions where when you turn from the main road to this small road, only that has small gutters. Otherwise, it's very peaceful. Almost reaching just 1.3 kilometers. I hope there is no water, because if there is water, the problem is you will not be able to see the entire church. And yes, that is Shettihalli Lake. So we're going down. We're going directly down from here. Wow, so there is some resort they're building on the other side. And may I present you the Shettihalli Lake, and I present you the Shettihalli Church.
And yes, this is a view of the Shettihalli Church. The church was built in 1960 by the French missionaries for the wealthy British estate owners. In 1960, The construction of Hemavathi Dam and the reservoir led to the abandonment of church. Since then, the church submerges in water every year during the monsoon season. After so much of demand from the localites, the authorities have decided to make a new church, and what you see over there is a new Shettihalli Grocery Church. And that's all for today's video, so stay tuned for more updates from the Wanderer Travelers. Also, before you go, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Also, if you have any suggestions or comments, please do put in the comment box below. Before we close this video, I have a special surprise that is coming next week, and I will be updating you soon on this. So stay tuned.